To measure for your new SEC Online door, you will need a good quality tape measure and a pen and paper to record your measurements. When measuring your door, always be on the outside looking in. To measure the height, hook your tape over the top of either side of your door and pull to the bottom. Enter your height measurement in the field provided. To measure the width, measure from the edge of the left to the edge of the right of your existing door. Enter your width measurement in the field provided. To measure your lock height, first determine whether you want your new lock above the existing solid door lock or below the existing solid door lock. If you require your lock above, measure from the bottom track to the top of the existing lock and add 125mm. If you require your lock below, measure from the bottom track to the bottom of your existing lock and deduct 60mm. Enter your lock height measurement in the field provided. If you're ordering a Defendoor 316 marine grade stainless steel door with the width measurement over 1000mm, you will need a centre bar, as the mesh at this size requires additional support. To measure your centre bar, measure from the bottom track to the centre bar on your existing screen door. Enter your centre bar measurement in the field provided. If you do not want a centre bar, we suggest ordering a perfguard door, which is rigid and therefore does not require a centre bar. We recommend taking all measurements twice. If you get different measurements, have someone check them for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact one of our friendly staff.